In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide tabs in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply organizing your personal spreadsheets, knowing how to control the visibility of individual sheets can help you maintain focus and enhance the way you navigate through your data. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly manage your tabs. First, let's start with how to hide a tab. If you take a look at the bottom of your Google Sheets window, you'll notice a row of tabs corresponding to each sheet within your document. These represent different spreadsheets contained within your overall Google Sheets file. Find the tab you wish to hide. This is especially useful when you're looking to declutter your view or keep certain sheets from being immediately visible to others. What you want to do is right-click on the specific tab. A menu will appear, offering several options. From this menu, simply select Hide Sheet. And just like that, your chosen tab will be hidden from view. It's still within your document and hasn't been deleted, so don't worry, you can definitely get it back whenever you need to. Now, let's move on to unhiding a tab. You might find yourself in a situation where you need to revisit the hidden data or collaborate with others on that specific sheet. At the bottom of your screen, where you see the row of tabs, there's an icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is the All Sheets button. Go ahead and click on this button, Turn. Once you've done that, a list of all sheets, including the hidden ones, will pop up. Simply scroll through this list and find the name of the sheet you wish to unhide. Click on it and voila! It reappears alongside your other visible tabs. It's a straightforward process that ensures you can quickly toggle the visibility of your sheets as needed, keeping your workspace neat and organized. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently hide and unhide tabs in Google Sheets, allowing you to keep your workflow tidy and focused on the data that matters most at any given time. Remember, mastering these small organizational techniques can make a big difference in how effectively you manage and interact with your spreadsheets, whether for personal use or collaborative projects. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, be sure to apply these tips in your next Google Sheets session. Happy spreadsheeting!